Pay-per-view streaming isn't just for wrestling or boxing matches anymore. And if you're a yoga instructor or Pilates teacher or just a fitness person in general that plans to live stream their sessions online on their website, you've come to the right video. So in this video, I'm showing you how to set up live streaming or pay-per-view live streaming on your WordPress site. And the first thing we want to do is go to Appearance and go to Themes. And here we will look up Hello WP Stream. So this theme is free along with the 5 demos. And you can pick one of those 5 demos for your site depending on what you plan to do. So I'm activating this this theme, and I'm going ahead to install the required plugins. So the most important plugins for this is WooCommerce, WP Stream, and the one-click demo import. But I'm also installing the other plugins because if you stay tuned, I'll show you another feature right towards the end of what you can do with another plugin. So I'm installing all these plugins and activating them. So here are all my plugins installed and activated, and I can go ahead and install the demo that I'm using today. So as you can see, WooCommerce is over here. Now I'm going to Appearance and to import demo data. Here's the theme that we've just downloaded. And from here, we can pick one of these 5 themes. And for this video, I'm doing the main streaming demo. So I'm going to continue and import. This will take a couple of minutes, but I fast forwarded for the sake of this video. And this is how our site will look like. If you would like a specific demo for sports, for fitness, if you want to create a fitness website and want a theme and demo, let us know down in the comment section and we'll create a demo for you. Now we're going to WP Stream all channels, and this is where we can create a free to view channel or a pay-per-view channel, and of course we're creating a pay-per-view channel. So I'm adding all these details like the title, the description, a video trailer as well. So I'm adding a video trailer as well as a preview. So you can play the trailer before the live stream to see what's going to happen. And the preview is for the thumbnail itself. So from product data, make sure you have live channel selected and assign a price. So I'm just adding it as $15. You can go through these ratings, tags, categories. I'm adding a product image as well. And once that's ready, I'm publishing my channel. Now, once this channel is published, you'll be able to check out the settings, view the channel. This is how the channel will look like. And as you can see, you need to add to cart to purchase the actual pay-per-view live stream in order to watch. And this is how the rest of the page looks like. You can play the trailer so that your viewers can see what to expect when they purchase the live stream. So let's go back and turn on our channel. Now, you can either go live via your browser with your webcam or with an external streaming app, and we highly recommend OBS Studio, which is a free pro tool that you can use to live stream. So you'll find the server and stream key here. Go to OBS settings, stream. For service, choose custom and copy paste the server and stream key from WP Stream into OBS. Okay, and start streaming. Now let's go back. I'm leaving this section and going back to channel. Now, let me purchase this channel first. And once I've purchased this channel, you'll see that this message will appear and your viewer will be able to watch your live stream. So without purchasing this live stream, they won't be able to view. Once they've purchased it, they will have access to this channel, to this live stream indefinitely. So every time you go live on this channel, they'll be able to access it. Now, like I said earlier, I'll show you another thing that you can do. And I'm going to WooCommerce product page and I'm adding the chat. So you can also add a chat on your live stream so that your viewers and people who are training with you can comment and ask questions about form or anything regarding your live stream. So this is how your player will look like, and the chat will be right next to it. So I'm joining this chat room and I'll just quickly write a message. And this is how it will appear on your live stream. So that is basically it on how to create your first pay-per-view live stream on your WordPress channel. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.